Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, sports steering wheel, blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2020 Kicks. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, rear parking aid, remote trunk release, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.